What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining my channel. My name is Ben Kensington. I'm a realtor brokered by eXp Realty, and I want to jump into the February 2021 Phoenix Metro housing market update. So this is Phoenix Metro February 2021 compared to the previous year, February 2020. So we have enough data to compare year on year. Okay, so let's jump right into the chart that you see here. So this is the market update that I provide on all of my social media platforms. I work with Magnus Title Agency. We get a lot of our data from the MLS and the Cromford report as well. So let's jump right into it. New listings, as you can see, down once again from last year at this time. Okay, as you can see on the chart there. So we only had 8,553 listings in the month of February 2021 compared to the previous year. Active listings, okay, significantly down. Okay, 3,944 just last month compared to February 2020 of last year. Now let's jump into the active listings. Okay, so as you know, our president has extended the mortgage forbearance for another year, and also the foreclosure moratorium. So as you can kind of put two and two together, you have a lot less people wanting to put their homes on the market. Now let's throw in the third scenario, which is the supply and demand factor, which we've discussed pretty much on every market update that I've given, is that you have very low supply, which is the homes, and very high demand, tons of buyers. Let's throw in the fourth scenario. Okay, I know this is getting repetitive, but we have lots of migration. Okay, lots of migration throughout the United States. A lot of people are moving to other states as well. Texas, Arizona is one of them. You have Oregon, you have a lot of other states, Florida seeing a big influx from the East Coast, a lot of New Yorkers moving down there as well. We get a lot of people from California. We get people from Texas as well, a lot of people from the Pacific Northwest. And as you can see, if you factor in all of these into the equation, is that you have people who are sitting on their homes who are in forbearance. You have investors who have properties that are in foreclosure moratoriums that could possibly be on the market as well. You have supply and demand, right? So this is kind of contributing, I wouldn't say kind of, but is contributing to the active listings that you see there. A huge drop, as you see, from last year. 9,000 homes were on the market at this time compared to the 3,944 listings. Okay, so this is a tricky time for a buyer right now. If you're thinking about purchasing a house, this is what you're dealing with. We're still seeing waivers of, you're seeing contingencies as far as waiving the appraisal, waiving your inspection period, which is very dangerous. I would never advise anyone purchasing a home to waive that inspection period. That is for you. That is for you to evaluate the home. Okay. And also let's talk about new construction homes. Okay, and that's getting pretty crazy as well. Okay, new construction homes, you're seeing raffles. You're seeing a long wait list. You're seeing bidding wars where they're bidding for lot prices. Who's the highest bidder for a certain lot, and it can take quite some time. But I do not want to discourage anybody from purchasing a home. I would say if you're looking for your forever home and you want to get it at the right price, which is usually low, and then once it appreciates over time, possibly sell. Of course, buy low, sell high. I would say that's a tough decision to make. If you're really looking for a home, it depends on your circumstance. If you're really looking for a home and you need a home, there are pockets and areas within the Phoenix metro market where you can still find homes for a reasonable price. Okay. Santan Valley, as I mentioned, the area that I specialize in the Southeast Valley, is one of the most affordable areas throughout the Phoenix metro area. Okay. You have Maricopa. Okay. Let's look at this home here in Maricopa that's available. As you can see, the price Okay, compared to a lot of other areas. There's other areas in Phoenix Metro as well. You can find in South Mountain, you can find in Buckeye. There are always going to be pockets where you can find affordable homes. But it just depends on your lifestyle, your needs. Where are you going to want to invest in or call home? So I would say kind of play it by ear, kind of keep up with these market updates, do some research, work with your realtor to really dig deep and figure out if this is something that you want to do at this time. But you can still find a home there. You could still get a new build. You can still find the property you're looking for. It's just going to take a lot of work from your realtor to do for you. Okay, so if you work with me, I am going to do the homework. I'm going to dig deep. I'm licensed in Pima County, Pinal County, Maricopa County, so I can compare and contrast all markets. Okay, I'm a part of the Phoenix Association of Realtors as along with the Tucson Association of Realtors. So I can see where all these properties are, especially if you're looking to invest, especially if you're looking to buy, if you're looking to relocate and you want a house that is going to fit your family in an area where you can work and live and thrive. I can find that property for you. Okay, so this is definitely a sales pitch by me, 480-744-8184. If you're looking for a realtor and you're not looking to work with 3-4 different realtors, I have access to all of these markets. So if you just want to work with one realtor that you need that can find you that specific property you're looking for, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, however you want to be communicated with, just let me know. Okay, so back to the market update. Let's look at sold listings up. They're selling fast. As soon as they hit the market, they're gone, usually within 24 hours to a couple days. 7,659 compared to last year, just a little bit more up. Okay. Days on the market, as you can see, the average is falling. You see 40 days now. It was 64 compared to last year. What's really going up is the average sales price. As you can see, 465,000 to 800 or 465,891. Okay. It's almost $100,000 in average sales price that has jumped over a year now. So, and I can attest to that. The prices are rising everywhere. Okay. Let's take a look at this home here in Casa Grande, okay, which is in Pinal County. This is a new construction. As you can see the price, I would say just a few years ago, you would be able to get for this square footage and being a new build, you'd probably be able to get this home for about $205,000, maybe even 200 and a little less than that as well. A few years back before like 2017, 2016, prices are going up and we're not genies. I'm not going to make any predictions and be wrong down the line. We just got to go from month to month. We see the trends though. The trend from all the way when you looked at my January market update from 2021. This is February. This is the second month now. We're going into March. We'll see what happens at the end of this month. The average sales price is going up because I said they're paying $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 over asking price on a lot of these homes. It's a super competitive market right now. And the trend is that it's going to keep getting competitive. Okay. Mortgage rates were really low, but they're ticking up just a little bit, but they're still down compared to February of 2020. As you can see, it's 2.81%. That's the national average mortgage rate. Okay. Months of supply, 0.51. It's low. As of course, there aren't that many homes on the market right now. That's single family detached, single family homes. Okay. Listing success rate, 90.1%. Okay. It's up. That means that when they list for that price, man, they're getting sold. Okay. So that's the Phoenix housing metro market update for February 2021. Definitely stay tuned for more updates as I go over these from month to month. I'm going to give you these updates, give you these numbers to dive in to kind of help you buyers out there and you sellers and investors that are trying to kind of get some information. You're doing your homework right now. You're trying to figure out where you want to live. I say definitely work with a realtor who's going to do the homework with you, who's going to deep dive with you, who's going to jump on a Zoom call with you and show you through the actual MLS what's available, what's coming soon, what's about to hit the market, just listed, reduced price. negotiating on your behalf. Once you go into these bidding wars, you need a realtor who's going to really do the work. Okay, so definitely, if you want to work with me, reach out to me. I'm available morning till night. You could jump on a call with me late night if you need to, and you have some questions, reach out to me. Okay, guys. All right, stay tuned for my Tucson buyers, sellers, investors. You guys are looking for some stats. You're looking for some updates, some data. I have a video coming in the next few days. As I told you, I am licensed in Arizona, and I have access to the Tucson MLS as well. So I will definitely give some data from Tucson and give market updates on Tucson going forward as well. So thank you guys for joining my channel. Really appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later.